Assalamu alaikum, students. My name is Na, and today, let's have a quick look at the contents of Exploring Science 7. The book is divided into three main branches of science: biology, chemistry, and physics. Let's take a brief overview of each chapter. Biology. Chapter 1: Cells, Tissues, Organs, and Systems. This chapter introduces the organization of the human body, starting with cells and tissues and moving towards organs and organ systems. It also introduces life processes, microscopes, medical doctors, and organ transplants. Chapter 2: Muscles and Bones. Here, the focus is on our muscles and skeleton and how they work together to produce movement. The chapter also covers fitness, breathing, blood, artificial limbs, drugs, and sports. Chapter 3: Ecosystems. This chapter takes us into the world of living organisms and their environment. It covers variation, adaptations, environmental effects, food chains, and greener cities. Chemistry. Chapter 4: Mixtures and Separation. This chapter introduces mixtures and solutions and different methods used to separate substances, such as evaporation, chromatography, and distillation. Chapter 5: Acids and Alkalis. Here, the focus is on acids, alkalis, indicators, acidity and alkalinity, and neutralization. We also see how these ideas connect with everyday life and the chemical industry. Chapter 6: The Particle Model. This chapter explains solids, liquids, and gases using the particle model. It also introduces particles, Brownian motion, diffusion, air pressure, weather, and waste. Chapter 7: Atoms, Elements, and Molecules. This chapter takes us deeper into matter. It covers atoms, elements, metals and nonmetals, compounds, and chemical reactions. Physics. Chapter 8: Energy. This chapter explores energy and changes, energy transfers and stores, food, fuels, and different energy resources. It also looks at how resources are used and how we can make positive changes. Chapter 9: Current Electricity. Here, we enter the world of electricity. The chapter covers current, switches, circuits, series and parallel circuits, changing current, and the uses of electricity. Chapter 10: Forces. This chapter introduces forces and their effects. It includes different forces, springs, friction, pressure, SI units, and balanced and unbalanced forces, along with applications in structures and safety. Chapter 11: Sound. Our final chapter is sound. It explores how sounds are made and move, how we detect sound and waves, and the effects of noise on animals. So, these are the main areas covered in Exploring Science 7. From cells and ecosystems to atoms, energy, electricity, forces, and sound, this book takes us through many fascinating areas of science. In the upcoming lessons, we'll explore these topics in more detail. So, keep your book ready, stay curious, and let's learn science together. How to use this book. Before we begin our science lessons, let's first understand how to use this book effectively. At the beginning of each page, you will find a question. By the time you finish that page, you should be able to answer it. You will also see fact boxes. These contain interesting facts related to the topic and give you something extra to think about. The key words on each page are written in bold. If you come across a word you don't understand, you can find its meaning in the glossary at the end of the book. You will notice that questions are placed throughout the pages. Don't wait until the end. Try to answer them as you move through the lesson. If you are looking for information about a particular topic, the index at the back of the book can help you find the right page quickly. And finally, the I can boxes help you reflect on your learning. Read each statement and think about how confidently you can do it. So, students, use these features while studying. They will help you understand the lessons, check your learning, and become more confident in science.
Like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon.